Okay.
Well, hello there.
So as you have maybe noticed, I'm not in my room. I'm in college now. There's no AC in the dorms. So my fan is like right by the window right there, and I have turned it off so you guys can hopefully hear me. It's very exciting. Campus is absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking of maybe doing a tour of my dorm and then like walking around campus so you guys can see the gorgeous scenery. It is so pretty. There's a lot of safety protocols, wearing masks in places where you're not able to socially distance, and basically you social distance. You eat outside for like dinner and lunch and stuff. You get to-go boxes. It's preferred for that stuff. Fun, 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 fun. So today I thought we would try to refilm my lovely earring collection. The first earrings we have are these lovely strawberry bad boys. I will go with the 3 pairs of other earrings that I have worn so far this semester. So the first pair of earrings that I wore were my lovely baby earrings. These lovely guys I had made at the beginning of quarantine. They're a great conversation starter. You either vibe with the baby earrings or you don't, and we vibe. The next earrings I have are my little bowling pin earrings. Just simple, they're cute, they're classy. And then the last earrings I have worn, which was yesterday, are my fishing bobber earrings. They are like actual just fishing bobbers put on hooked, and they fit the dad vibe that I was going for yesterday. Now on to the rest of my earrings. We have quite a few. I think I actually had worn these earrings one of the days. They're my droopy holographic star earrings. I'm already starting to sweat because my fan's off and there is no AC in here. Next example are these rainbow poop little earrings that I got from Claire's. They had googly eyes. They were so stupid and silly, but like they were on sale for $1 and I thought they could be a cute little fun earring. And to get these bad boys out of the way, these are huge triangle earrings. They are not the best made. And I forgot to unpack these when I was moving to college because this one does not have a back. They are definitely big. That's what she said. Next pair of earrings, we have these cute little donut earrings. I think they're definitely cute for like a breakfast date. Next up, we have an iconic pair of earrings that I wore a lot of my junior year. They are just like yellow tassel. They are a bit worn, they get tangled easily, but they are so pretty and they're a little less wacky, but they're a nice accent. And on the opposite side of more classy, we have my worm on a string earrings. These were the first earrings that I have made. They're literally just a worm on a string tied to some earring backs, but they're an iconic look. They are very fun to play with as well. Here we have these little like just skateboard earrings. I had gotten them from someone at my work who like knew I made my own earrings, aka just the baby earrings and stuff, and she had these keychain stuff. So the other earrings that I've made. Now we have our more classy earrings. They are definitely not tame, but she can't be tamed. But these are in gold, and we also have them in silver. We have another pair of the holographic star earrings. They can be a present for someone after washing. And then we can be twinsies, wow! We have these simple gold babe hoop earrings, but they're simple, they're cute, they're classy, they work. We have these cute little front and back Big Ben earrings. Now we have a pair of my favorite earrings. So these are like a blanket, and they're metal, but they're so soft and they are so fun to play with. Like when I'd wear them at school, I'd be like, oh, Bella's wearing her earrings. Can I play with them? I'm like, hell yeah, you can play with them. I've been playing them in class all day long. They are super fun and they're also so pretty. They're like a classy color. The next pair of earrings I have are my skateboard earrings. I absolutely love these. And they are actual little skateboards. They're so cute. I love them. We have these simple teal blue little tufts with some silver stars going down them. We have these little 3D heart pandas. The best way to describe it is like those Valentine's Day cards, Yay! Oh, yay! Next up are these really pretty navy blue flower tassel earrings. The next pair of earrings are also kind of fancy. It has little light pink tassels, otherwise it's like jeweled, and I want to say they're almost like a flower pattern, but very fancy. Then we have these droop down like copper, very metalworky earrings. The next pair of earrings are perfect for Halloween, your bio class, or any time year round. These lovely golden skeletons. They are so fun. They're a bit heavy, but definitely worth it. Next up we have these cute little elephants and just little buoys. Then we have these little ghosts in orange t-shirts. Some little very homemade looking pretzels that I had gotten from a thrift store. A next little staple of mine are these cute golden star hoop earrings. These little mustard and different colored yellow flower type of droop earrings. Another pair of earrings that were the same as that like metal flowy fabric, but these ones are like multi-chrome and much longer. Now we have these fancy lads. They are very big, very out there. I don't wear them often, but I believe I have worn them once. They are definitely a star of the outfit type of earring, but still very fancy. Some little mint earrings, tassels with little stars, some gray tassel and little pearl earrings, these little white star earrings that droop down, some little metal alien spaceships that say "I want to believe" carved in them, some hexagonal silver hoops. We have my red and green jingle bell earrings that are my personal, the right pitch of bells. These little Santa earrings that reminded me of these tiny ornaments that we would put on this tiny Christmas tree when I was younger. These little candy canes that I had gotten from my aunt. Then we have these golden engraved wreaths that I had also gotten from my aunt that say "Merry Christmas," and I believe it's 1994. Some little front and back gingerbread men. These little penguin towers that hold up a star. Little individual penguin men. And to wrap up these Christmas earring little collection, we have, I think, the oldest pair of earrings that I've personally owned. These little just fuzzy penguins in Santa hats. Other little hanging down ghost earrings. Some front and back little British Army guys. These pretty little butterflies that have golden backs. These little tigers. So far I think I'm just gonna use the heads because I had lost the back of this one, or if I just want to wear one earring or something like that, but they're super cute. These droop down multicolored gem earrings. These almost like dog tag earrings that say "Believe." I had gotten them as a gift from my grandma or my mom. Similar to like the straight droop down of the holographic star earrings, these are like diamonds, and then half of it is like an opal with some holographic shimmer on top. These side angle earrings that are of the Little Dipper, little Snoopy earrings holding a heart. These cute little cat stud earrings that I had gotten from Eclairs in Ireland. These little clover or shamrock earring studs. And some larger pearl earrings. And of course, I inevitably
Am I saying that right? Probably not. I spent like a year on trying to say the word inevitable, and fuck, I can't even say it.
have some single earrings that are missing a pair. We have the other pearl earring that I had gotten from Speech, a strawberry earring that I had gotten. I swear I know where this one is. I think it's also in like a drawer of some earrings that I was like going through and didn't want, but like I just shoved them in there when I was packing and found this. And I know I had seen this one when I was going through, but this is the other like ear thing. This one is not the Little Dipper. This one's a little bit fancier. And that's pretty much my earring haul. So let's just say I have quite a bit of earrings, or at least these are the earrings that I brought to college and that I wear more often. I might go through them again and like get rid of the ones that I have not worn or do not wear, and it's like I can't think of any outfit that they go with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Bella, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Positive vibes. You got this. You can do this. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Stay cool. Wear your mask. Socially distance. And stay safe. Peace out. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy.